Welcome to all that's joining me to this Trickery S.M.P. Season 3, Episode 1. I've been on this server once before to do parkour. Now I'm looking through my inventory because it's been a bit. Almost 10 days, give or take, so it's been a bit. Going out. And it's raining, meaning the mobs are out. I'm gonna be checking the growth of my little garden that I started here. Yep. I'm waiting a bit. Oh, that's the wrong one. Needed the sword. I barely. Oh, glob, that's happening. Checking. Yep. Switching to my. Oh, that's the wrong one. Going with my pickaxe. Going down the stairs. Yeah. Gonna dig a bit. I was thinking of making a mine shaft here. Ooh, coal. Ooh, yeah. Coal, yeah. Oh, digging it up. Digging it up. Coal, need some coal. Do 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 do. Yeah. Ooh, iron. This is good sign. I can make more iron pickaxes, which I really need, as well as axes. I also recently discovered, before I got to this landmass, that you can chop trees with one. You can chop whole trees down just destroying one block. That's never happened before. Whoops, wrong one again. Oh, screenshot. Yeah, I changed my controls, so yeah, that's gonna happen a few times. Keep on getting the wrong button. Ooh, I'll be bad in teams. I can't stinking get the right one in time. Clean that up. Yep, looking at that. Gonna make this deeper, gonna make it more wider. Do 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 do. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Closing the door, checking in my furnace, getting that out. But first I have to clean out my inventory. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Forgot what's in my chest. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Yep, have more room now to smelt iron. Do-do-do-do. Yep, adding these in. Putting them away. Keeping my bread, obviously. Ooh, trident. Not gonna use that in a while. For a while, I mean. Going back down. Time to jump down. Time to dig deeper. Yep, lighting that up. We don't want mobs down here. Not at all. Yeah, there's most likely not gonna have any music playing because I need to figure things out. This is my first ever video, so obviously I'm gonna be a massive noob and having a lot of horrible edits. But people like growth, like to watch YouTubers grow and make their videos better. Lighting it again, going back up, checking out my ceiling, and it's still raining. Do 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 do, do 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 do. What am I doing? Ooh, furnace time. Yeah, I'm gonna make more glass. Thinking of putting more glass on the ceiling and on the walls. Collecting sand. Do 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 do. Splitting that in half. Do 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 do. Putting that away. Do 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 do. Oh, going down. Closing that. Yeah, I always close my doors just in case if there's a mob that breaks down doors. I have another door just in case. Yep, floor time. But yeah, the last time I played Minecraft, like actually played it other than this year, was in 2014. You know, with cracked accounts. Yeah, not a good starter, but at least it got my fascination in Minecraft. Oh, I love strip mining. You'll most likely see me do a lot of that. Need to put lights down here so no mobs will get to us. And that's 7 minutes. Exactly. Nope, going up. Falling a few times. Trying to finish this floor up. Let's see if I'll be able to. But yeah, the last update I ever played on was 1.8, and I just found that out. That's something. That's 8 updates ago, so a long time ago. Yeah, that's not gonna be enough cobble to block the 2 hole. Nope. Yeah, but pretty much I'm a noob. I barely know what redstone. So yeah, I mostly strip mine and make wheat farms and pumpkin farms and yeah, when I was playing Minecraft. And on peaceful and oh, creative mode. There we go. Just forgetting my words, that happens a lot. Yep, I don't think this is enough glass, but I'm smelting it to make more glass. I need to put that thing away. I mean the redstone. That's the thing I'm talking about. But after a bit, once I remember. Waiting. Yep, gimme. I said gimme. Don't want mobs come through, but I want to see what the day is. But yeah, I am not the best when it comes to making buildings. The most likely gonna be another screenshot. They're gonna be a lot those modern houses. um, Modern houses that's so blocky. It's thinking I need to look at Pinterest some more. Looking around. Yeah, no. Yeah. I am going out to put some more seeds, and finally I put that redstone away. Keep on forgetting that bit. Stretching. Yep, putting these away. Staring blankly, do 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 do, checking what I want now. I want sticks and iron, yes, 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 yes. Do 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 do. Putting that birch away. Why didn't I keep it in that box? I don't know, no. Gonna check everywhere. Ooh, yeah, glass. I can finish up the ceiling now. Yeah, Bob. Yeah. But yeah, when last time I played Minecraft, I pretty much mined just glob. I pretty much just mined out the new variations of stone, granite, andesite, and dorite. I think dorite's the white one, if I remembered correctly. The one that some people don't like. I still like to mine those things out. I might just mine all three out and just make something with it. Most likely, pathways, because I like making paths with just random blocks. But yeah, you might see some things that you get off of Pinterest when it comes to Minecraft houses and locations, because I ain't that good. Gonna dig deeper now. Do, 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 do. Going back up. Oh yeah, I can finish that. Give me it. Ooh, I get it. I finished the floor. Going up. Yeah, it's dark out and raining. It's like been raining for quite some time. Oh. What am I doing? Hmm. 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 Oh yeah. Yep. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, I still don't understand why there's the word cancel on there. Still don't know. Oh, yay! It's finally stopped raining. I can go out. Yeah, Bub. I need to close that door though. Don't want any of them coming out. Okay. Oh, zombies. Zombies are coming towards me now. Oh, I'm getting surrounded. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not good at fighting these things. Oh, I'm on fire. Ooh, water. Oh, phew. Okay. Wait. They can go off. They can stop being on fire when they reach the water. Oh, that's not fair. Not fair, indeed. Oh, I'm on fire again. Time to jump in. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I got a potato. Why there's a potato on that zombie? I don't know. Another screenshot. That's gonna happen again. I need to delete those. Oh, time to do some farming. Do 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 do. Yep. Yeah. I might have forgotten what full wheat looks like. I'll look that up later. How later? I don't know. But yes, I am going to start my farming in this little pond. I saw a very close by. Once I get more seeds, I'm going to start adding that in. Yeah, my thing is strip mining. making paths, making farms, making buildings. Maybe underground, maybe not. Secret, if it is, I'm not gonna show the entrance. Ugh. Ooh, can add another little plot or section. Yes, section. That's the right word. We need the right word. But yeah, I never done a Minecraft video or edit. Well, I did a stop motion several years ago. I think it was about 2014, so pretty much when the last time I played Minecraft. I did 2 stop motion videos, and not on this account. I mean YouTube account. But yeah, I'm not skilled. I am nervous. But yeah. Hoof. There's a horse. There's a horse. Get him a pickaxe and a sword out. Do 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 do. Getting a bow just in case. Do do do. Oh, boat. Yeah. There was nothing over here. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope to see you next time on my wacky adventure as a old but newbie.